Pre-treat exposed basement framing with a borate primer before insulation to significantly reduce the risk of wood-destroying insects and decay. Borate Primer DIY pest control products work by delivering soluble borate ions into the wood where they remain effective against insects and fungal decay without forming a surface film. Choose a product labeled for structural wood treatment and follow the manufacturer's stated penetration and coverage rates, which are often given as a specific mass of active ingredient per surface area. This ensures you achieve the target parts per million in the treated wood. Apply to clean, bare wood using a pump sprayer, airless sprayer, or brush, keeping spray pressure and nozzle size consistent so you get uniform wetting rather than isolated runs. Work on one stud bay at a time so you can saturate end grain and the face grain where cut surfaces will wick borates deeper. Allow sufficient drying time as specified on the label before installing insulation or vapor barriers because trapping moisture can reduce effectiveness and interfere with adhesion of finishes. Finally, combine the chemical treatment with moisture control measures such as fixing leaks, installing proper grading and drainage, and using a dehumidifier so conditions are not favorable to decay organisms. Common mistakes include under-application that does not reach the required penetration and leaves wood vulnerable, so measure coverage and apply the full labeled rate rather than guessing. Another issue is treating damp or dirty wood, which prevents proper borate uptake and reduces longevity, so clean and, if necessary, dry the framing before treatment. People also install insulation or vapor retarders too soon after application, which can trap moisture or block curing. Always wait the label recommended drying interval and confirm the wood surface is dry to the touch. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and share real project experiences about pre-finishing basements with borate primers. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from real installations.